Hello, New Life Southwoods community. I
Hi.
am Jane,
I'm Cyril.
and together we are
Team Abelia. Wow.
Yan,
Oh.
heart.
Wow.
Ayan, so quick story lang po on how we got to know New Life Southwoods Church. So, way back March 2022, yung day na yun is Saturday and galing kami sa wedding venue namin and we settled payments. Ayan. So, after nun, nakaplano na mag-date kami. So, pumunta kami sa mall sa Cavite, pero
Full
ang
parking.
nangyari, full parking. So, sabi namin is, tara, ano lang tayo, sa usual na lang, so sa Southwoods Mall, since malapit lang sa amin. Ngayon, pagdating namin dito sa mall, hindi kami sa usual namin na dinadaanan. So, dumaan kami sa may waffle area, sa may phones area, para i-check yung cinemas.
Manonood kami
Yan.
noon ng Batman ni Edward Cullen.
Oo, yun.
Basta.
So, ang nangyari, pagkalakad namin dito sa area na to, doon lang namin nakita yung New Life Southwood. So,
Yes.
na-curious kami. So, pagkalapit namin doon, sakto na doon si Tito Arnel. Yan.
Yes.
Shout
Hi, Tito
out
Arnel.
to Tito Arnel. So, pagkalapit namin, si Tito Arnel lumabas and then kinausap na niya kami. Tapos, Saturday yon may Youth Connect currently and then na banggit na rin ni Sai na isa siyang musician.
Oo. Nung time na yon, sabi ni Tito Arnel, sakto, wala kaming drummer ngayon. Sakto, yun yung pinutugtog ko talagang instrument. So, really, God is aligning everything na. So, sabi namin, okay na to. Ito na yung pinagpipray natin. Kasi back then, we are praying for a church na we can serve together. Kasi umaattend naman kami ng church sa Alabang, but we are not serving there. We're just attending. So, nung time na inalay ni Lord, yun na yun. Try natin kinabukasan nung Sunday. And then, nagtuloy-tuloy na. So, our first ministry actually in this church is hosting. Ayan. So, nag-host kami. And then, from there, obey lang. Talagang encouragement sa atin lahat. Diba? Kahit naman sa mga preaching nila, Pastor James, obey. No? Be available. Be humble, be open, and teachable. Na, yes, if you're trusted with little, such as hosting, do your best, give your best. Then, from there, naging part na ng worship team. Oo. Tapos, ano pa ba? Nag-volunteer na si Jane sa kids.
Yan, sa kids ministry, sa KKG.
Yes, and then from there, napunta kami sa mga assignments na hindi namin deserve or hindi kami equipped to do so. And yet, God has been faithful. Kasi this testimony is not about us being faithful because we are not. No, may mga times na we almost quit, we almost left. I'll be honest, may mga times na ganun, but God has been faithful ever since. Hindi lang sa amin, alam ko sa bawat isa sa atin. And we have been in assignments na hindi namin alam kung paano kami napunta doon, but God has really called us to do so, and He has equipped us, no? Whoever He has called, He will equip. God equips who He calls, And He calls the unqualified para mas mabigay yung glory sa Kanya. And we are so grateful. No? We've been part of so many ministries na we've been really blessed. No? Akala namin mas makakapag-share kami or makakapag-impart dahil nandito tayo sa ministry na to, hindi. Pero mas madami, mas nag-grow kami in our relationship with each other and with Jesus because of the ministries na nandito sa church. And we've been so blessed. Love and marriage, di ba? Nagulat tayo doon, no? Yes. And then, yan, syempre, sa worship team nga, sa kids siya. And then, syempre, not to be biased, but we've been in Jesus Generation Youth for almost 2 years na, no? 2 years. Yan. And then, we've been so blessed, yan, no? Seeing the youth of this church, the Jesus Generation, na represent Jesus in every area. Kung nasa school sila, kung nasa internship, we've been so proud of each and every one of you na napapakita niyo si Jesus to be salt and light. So, ang testimony namin, may share ka ba? Go.
Yun, to add lang doon, parang sinong day na yun, yung na
the top, diba?
Kumbaga, nakita natin tong church na to,
Oo.
tong New Life Southwoods. It's not really in our plan
Yes.
na mag-serve, na mag-volunteer. And even on that day, kasi plano nga namin na manood ng Sine Mag-Date,
Mm-mm.
pero hindi na nangyari.
Mm-mm.
Yun. Pero sabi nga sa Proverbs 16 verse 9, it says there, a man's heart plans his way, but the Lord directs his
Amen.
steps. So truly talaga, si Lord yung organize ng mga behind the scenes
Yes.
hanggang sa napunta kami dito
Thank
where
you,
we
Lord.
are right now. And we're really blessed and grateful serving here in New Life South.
Yes, kasi this church, hindi lang tayo may pastora na Grace yung pangalan, pero this church is really gracious. This church really overflows through that grace, through God's love, and through His mercy. We've been tasked to share this testimony, but ang share namin, and we will end with this, is syempre sa una, if you're a volunteer here, if you're serving with us, nandun pa puro enjoyment, no? But there will come a time na parang merong mga pagdadaanan, merong mga pagsubok, ganyan. So, yung second na N is endure. So, we are called to endure. Sabi dito sa John 16:33, these things I have spoken to you, that in me you may have peace. In the world you will have tribulation. Sabi, you will have tribulation. But be of good cheer, for I have overcome the world. So, ang encouragement namin is, in this testimony, is to look or to go back to the joy of your salvation. Pag nawawalan ka ng joy na bakit ganito yung nangyayari sa buhay, bakit tighter naman ako ganito, bakit di ako na-rotate ng maayos in anything, kung saan ka nagsiserve, go back to the joy of your salvation. Kasi yun pa lang, siksik liglig at umaapaw na what Jesus has done for you. So, again, we are so blessed to be able to serve dito sa New Life Southwoods, and we've been really honored to be part of the ministries na God has entrusted, no? Sobrang saya, no?
Yeah.
So, yan. So, happy 6th anniversary,
Yeah,
New Life Southwoods.
Bye!
Bye!